In this video, we're talking about Mira network token is legit or scam. Before take any action on this token, do your own research and let's get started. This is a trustless verified intelligence, makes AI reliable by verifying outputs and action for every step using collective intelligence. So guys, this is verified AI output. You're using other diverse, secured and tested crypto economy and removed. This is fully autonomous. So this is the website, guys. You have a social option, you have a community on X. Also, you have on the Discord network channel on the Discord. If I check the price of this token, guys, it is $0.60 with all-time high almost $1.85. The bullish is 78%, the bearish is 22%. I see some engaging here on this community, guys. I see a lot of engaging and reaction on the people share charts, share expected trade setup. This token, guys, listed on Binance, on Upbit, PancakeSwap, Bitgate, and Get.io and KuCoin. If I check the holders on Bitscan, I see the holder 16,000 members with a lot and huge transfer. You can, if I make some screenshot to see you with all the details. So guys, you can see here, I see last 10 seconds, last 17, last 27, 31 with huge and a lot of transaction with a lot of huge volume here. So guys, this is point one. If I check here, guys, I see a lot of engaging, as I say, on the community. The total supply is 1 billion of this Mira token, max supply 1 billion also. The holders is huge member. If I check here, guys, the writing option, I see this is the website, as I say. This is a philosophy technology behind AI. Anyway, guys, before investing on this token, you should do your own research. I give this token 7 on 10. This is a new and fresh project. Maybe you can make some money through this project, maybe. But do your own research before investing. Unlocked is 90%, locked is 80%. This is private sale 13%, ecosystem 25%. This is the tokenomics. You can check here all this tokenomics. Thanks for watching this.